just a short video. The M68K IDE slash RAM board that I have in my Amiga 500 desktop, unfortunately it generates too much heat, so the CPU gets fairly hot. So I bought these heatsinks on eBay. The screw, that's just for comparison, that's a case screw, so they are quite beefy, they are big. And as you can see, I've installed 4 of those on the CPU, and they are extremely effective. They keep the processor CPU quite cold. It's not cold. It's not lukewarm. It's barely lukewarm. But yeah, that's a small upgrade I've made to this machine, to my Amiga 500 desktop. And I think it looks quite good, actually. The idea is that this fan will blow air over these heatsinks, and it is working. It's working really good. So I think that's about it. Oh yeah, I've upgraded the I've upgraded the compact flash card to a 1 gigabyte. There, it's just a standard stock 1 gigabyte Transcend. I got it for cheap, so it just works. But yeah. That's about it.